My name is Somshidhar.
Good afternoon all. My name is M. Abdul Munir. I am studying 9th B section, AP Model School, Panyam. My team name is Harishchandra.
Title of the project is IoT based health monitoring system with Node MCU.
The integration of Internet of Things IoT technology into healthcare has the potential revolutionization, patients monitoring, providing real-time health data of timely interventions. This process proposes an IoT-based health monitoring system utilizing Node MCU, a heartbeat sensor and a temperature sensor to enable continuous remote health tracking.
Objective. The primary objective of this project is design and implement an IoT health monitoring system that allows for the continuous monitoring of a person's heart rate and body temperature. The system aims to provide real-time data to healthcare professionals or caregivers for proactive health management.
Methodology. The system employs a Node MCU ESP8266 as the central controller interfacing with a heartbeat sensor and a temperature sensor. The sensor collects physiological data which is transmitted to a good server via Wi-Fi. The data is then accessible through a user-friendly interface, enable remote monitoring and analysis. In cases of abnormal reading, alert can be triggered from timely medical attention.
Key components. Node MCU ESP8266 serve as the IoT gateway and data transmitter. Heartbeat sensor monitors the user's heart rate continuously. Temperature sensor measure the user's body temperature. Cloud service server stores and manages the health data. User interface enable remote access to health information.
System architecture, data acquisition, heartbeat and temperature data are continuously collected by the respective sensor. Node MCU integration. Node MCU processes and transmits the data to a good server storage. The health data is securely stored in a good database. Use interface. Healthcare professionals or caregivers access to the data through a user-friendly interface for real-time monitoring. Alert mechanism. Abnormal reading triggered alert for immediate attention.
Results. Preliminary test to demonstrate the system's reliability in continuously monitoring heart rate and body temperature. The remote accessibility of data showcase the system's potential for proactive health management.
Conclusion. The proposed IoT-based health monitoring system offers a partial solution from continuous and remote health tracking by integrating Node MCU heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor. The system provides valuable real-time data, facilitating timely intervention and improving overall healthcare outcomes.
Thank you.